हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम नितिन शर्मा। और जैसे कि आप लोगों से मैंने वादा किया था कि मैं आप लोगों को फैटमैन बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से पढ़ाकर एक खूबसूरत सा प्लेलिस्ट बनाकर देने वाला हूं। सो आज का दिन हमारे लिए कौन सा, हम लोग क्या क्या कवर कर चुके थे। हम लोग स्टोन एज कवर कर चुके थे, हम लोग इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन कवर कर चुके थे, वैदिक एज कवर कर चुके थे। आज जैनिज्म और वैदिज्म बुद्धिज़्म का बारी है। तो दोस्त स्टार्ट करते हैं। कॉजेज ऑफ ओरिजिन। ब्राह्मणिकल डोमिनेशन। जैनिज्म एंड बुद्धिज्म वेयर अगेंस्ट द रिचुअलिस्टिक इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ वेदास एंड अपोज्ड ब्राह्मणिकल डोमिनेशन। Agricultural economy. Trade was impacted due to ritualistic sacrifices. Trade was carried out of Vaishyas. Punch-marked coins. Use of punch-marked coins started. Varna system. Jainism and Buddhism did not attach themselves to Varna system and everyone treated equally. Jainism believed Varnas were on the basis of occupation, not by birth. Belief in non-violence. Both the religions believed in path of ahimsa. Mahavira and Buddha were Kshatriyas. Jainism and Buddhism are considered heterodox in context of Indian philosophy. It means that they do not expect the authority of the Vedas, unlike Orthodox Hindu tradition. Worship. Jainism believed in divine figures, however, Buddhism did not. Jainism. In Jainism, Tirthankras are considered to be great teachers. They were total 24 Tirthankras. Important Tirthankras. First, Rishabh birthplace Ayodhya, represented by bull. 23rd पार्श्वनाथा, birthplace वाराणसी, represented by serpent. उसके बाद 24th तीर्थक्रस वर्धमान महावीरा, birthplace कुंडग्राम वैशाली, represented by lion. In Vedas, only two Tirthakras are mentioned: Rishabdev first and Aristoteles 22. Vardhaman Mahavira, approx 440 BC, Kundagram, Vaisali, Bihar. Death 468, Pavapuri, Bihar, during the age of 72 years. Father Siddhartha, clan Janatika, he was a Kshatriya. Wife Asoda. Daughter Priyadarsana, also known as Anuja, who married Jamali. He was the first disciple of Mahavira. Mahavira left home at the age of 30 years along with Makali Ghosla. Enlightenment. At the age of 42 years, under a sal tree at Jambikram near Rijupalika, first sermon at Pawa, Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Meaning of terms related to Jainism. Death. Moksha, enlightenment, Kevalya, Vasadis, Jain monasteries, Kevali, perfectly run, Jina. Jina is a being who has carried enlightenment and liberated from cycle of birth. Ajivika sect, founder Makali Ghosla. This sect believed in extreme fatalism, fat and asceticism, living extreme from of life by abstinence from worldly pleasure. Jain philosophy Triratnas. According to Jainism, three principles to achieve moksha. First, right knowledge, Samakhya Jana. Right faith, Samakhya Darshan. C. Right conduct, Samakhya Charitra. Five principles of living both Panchavrata, Ahimsa, non-violence, Satya, only speak the truth, Astya, do not steal, Brahmachari, sexually monogamous, Apigraha, detached from materialistic things, people and places. Division among Jainas. Chandragupta Maurya and Bhadrabahu left Magadha for Karnataka due to severe famine in Magadha and settled in Sarvan Beligola, where Chandragupta Maurya embraced Jainism. He eventually undertook Salekhna ritual, fasting, and passed away. Meanwhile, another group of Jainas chose to remain in Magadha under the leadership of Sthulbhadra. Over time, differences arose between these two groups. The followers of Bhadrabhahu who migrated to the south adhered to strict asceticism practices, including nudity as a mark of renunciation, and came to be known as a Digambaras sky-clad. On the other hand, the Jainas who worshipped stayed in Magadha, led by Sthulbhadra, adopted more liberal monastic rules permitting monks to wear white cloth. This group became known as the Svetambars White Clan. Jain Council. First Jain Council leader Sthulbhadra, time period 290 BC, pledged Patliputra, patronized by Bindusara, son of Chandragupta Maurya. Second Jain Council, time period 400 512 AD, pledged Vallabha Gujarati. Important books of Jaina. Bhagavati Sutra mentioned about Mahajanpada. Tattavartha Sutra, Agam Sutra, sacred books of Jain religion, Kalpa Sutra. Bhadrabahu bigoted first Jain council. Jain literature is written in Prakrit language. उसके बाद आता है आर्किटेक्चर. रॉक कट केव टेम्पल्स ओडिशा, हाथी गुफा केव्स ओडिशा, खरवेला, उदयगिरी एंड खांडेगिरी केव्स ओडिशा, दिलवाड़ा जैन टेम्पल राजस्थान, माउंट आबू स्टैच्यू ऑफ गोमटेश्वर बाहुबली कर्नाटक, श्रवण बेलगोला, एलोरा केव्स महाराष्ट्र, खजुराहो मध्य प्रदेश. बुद्धिज्म. Gautam Buddha, he belonged to Sakya clan. He was also known as a Sakya Muni. Tathagat, birthplace 563 BC, Lumbini, Nepal. Death 483 BC, Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Childhood name Siddhartha, father Sudhadana, mother Mahamaya. Belonged to the Kolya tribe. Stepmother Mahaprajapati Gautami. First Bhikkhuni, wife Asodhara, son Rahul. Buddha left home at the age of 29 years. First teacher Alara Kalam. Second teacher Udaraka Ramputra. Enlightenment. Urevela, Bodh Gaya, under a Bodh tree, people tree for 49 days near river Niranjana. First sermon Sarnath Varanasi. Gautam Buddha is considered as light of Asia, an important symbol of Buddha's life. Terms meaning symbol. Birth Malab Janam, lotus bull. Enlightenment means Nirvana, Bodhi tree. First sermon Dharma Chakra Parivartanam, symbol wheel. House renunciation Maha Viniskarman, symbol horse. Death Parinirvana, Maha Parinirvana, stupa. Philosophy of Buddhism. They are four noble truths. The truth of suffering, the truth of the cause of suffering is desire, the truth of the end of suffering, the truth of the path of the end of the suffering, eightfold. ओके अब हम बात करते हैं एट फोल्ड पाथ फॉर अष्टांगा मार्ग. इट इज फॉलो टू एंड सफरिंग. राइट माइंडफुलनेस, राइट व्यू, राइट इंटेंशन, राइट कंसंट्रेशन, राइट स्पीच, राइट एक्शन, राइट एफर्ट, राइट लाइवलीहुड. इन द फोर्थ बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल बुद्धिज्म वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू सेक्ट्स, महायान एंड हीनयान. त्रिरत्नास ऑफ बुद्धिज्म, बुद्धा धम्मा संघा कम्युनिटी ऑफ मॉन्क्स. बुद्धिज्म काउंसिल, बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल. फर्स्ट राजगिरा 400 BC या 483 BC. patronage by Ajatasattu, presenting Mahakasyapa. Second Vesali 383 BC, Kala Asok Sabha Kami. Third Patliputra 250 BC, Asoka Mogli Putra Tissa. Fourth Kashmir 22 AD, Kunda Valna, patroned by Kanishka and presidency by Vasumitra. Sects of Buddhism. Hinayan, they do not believe in idol worship. Text Pali, they do not believe in the rebirth of Buddha, seen mostly in Sri Lanka, Cambodia, it is in southern India. Mahayama, they believe in idol worship. Text Sanskrit, they believe in rebirth of Buddha, seen mostly in Japan, China, South Korea. Vijrayan, chanting Buddhism in the East. Roots Tibet, example Sikkim and West Bengal. अब बात करते हैं बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट के बारे में. तो सुत्त पिटका बुद्धा टीचिंग सरमोन्स, विनय पिटका मोनास्टिक कोड्स एंड रूल्स, अभिधम पिटका इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ सुत्य पिटका, Theravada Buddhism origin India, Pitaka meaning basket in Pali language. Milind Panor dialogue between Milind, Indo-Greek king Meander and Naxena. Bodhisattvas. Here Bodhisattva is a being who seeks enlightenment Bodhi not just for themselves but for the benefit of all sentient beings. The concept is central to Mahayana Buddhism where Bodhisattvas delay their own nirvana to help others attain liberation. Some well-known Bodhisattvas include Padmapani, a Bodhisattva who is also known as a Alokashiva. Vajrapani, a Bodhisattva who is protector and guide. Manjosuri, a Bodhism who represents wisdom and considered as the Buddha to be. अब हम बात करते हैं इन संस्कृत लैंग्वेज बुद्ध चरित्र, बुद्धा बायोग्राफी बाय अश्वघोष. Chattaka tales. It is about previous birth of Buddha in human and animal forms, terms and meaning. Chatya means place of worship, Vihara means place of residence, Dhamma means dharma, Stupa means mound where the relics of Buddha have been placed. Buddhist stupa, stupas and place. केसरिया स्तूपा, बिहार लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा इन इंडिया. धामेक, सारनाथ उत्तर प्रदेश. रामभर, कुशीनगरा उत्तर प्रदेश. सांची मध्य प्रदेश, ओल्डेस्ट स्तूपा इन इंडिया. शांति स्तूपा, लद्दाख, वाइट इन कलर. चीर टॉप, धर्म राजिका स्तूपा, तक्षशिला पाकिस्तान. पिपरा वसवाप स्तूपा उत्तर प्रदेश, फर्स्ट बिल्ड बाय शाक्य डायनेस्टी. भारत स्तूपा मध्य प्रदेश. बोरोबुदुर स्तूपा, जावा इंडोनेशिया, लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा इन द वर्ल्ड. अब बात करते हैं केसरिया स्तूपा के बारे में. डिस्कवर्ड बाय कॉलिन मैकेनी, एक्सकैवेटेड बाय के मोहम्मद. एंड नॉमड्रोलिंग monastery, a Buddhist monastery is located in Bolokuppe, Karnataka, is also known as the Golden Temple. Important monasteries: Thiski Ladakh, Hemis Ladakh, Rumet Sikkim, Ki Gopa Himachal Pradesh, Alchi Gopa Ladakh. Eight holy places of Buddhism: Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar, Rajgiri, Vaisali, Sravasti and Kanoska. The great stupa of Sanchi. It is the oldest stupa of India, built by King Asoka in 3rd century BC. The carving of the stupa was done using sandstone by Sunga dynasty. It has 4 gateways which represent cardinal points, north, south and east direction. First discovered by Henry Tyler in 1880. Chaitagiri festival is celebrated as Sanchi. Relics of 2 important disciples of Buddha, Sariputta and Mogalakam, are kept here. Parts of stupa: Anda, hemispherical dome, तरवा, गेटवे, मेधी, पेस्ट्रियल पथ, वेदिका, रेलिक्स, पर्धा, सिम्हा, पट्टा, ये सर्कुलर पथ अराउंड स्तूपा वेयर डिवोटीज वॉक अराउंड. Okay. And Sala Bhikshma Akshi reference to mother of Buddha Maya under a sal tree giving birth of Buddha. Oh my God. क्या क्या हम लोग दोस्त बुद्धिज़्म में पढ़े हैं एक बार बता देते हैं आपको. हम लोग बुद्धिज़्म, जैनिज़्म और बुद्धिज़्म में कवर किए हैं वर्धमान महावीरा, जैन काउंसिल और गौतम बुद्धा, बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल, बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट और बुद्धिस्ट स्तूपा. ओके तो आज का जो इन्वायरमेंट है काफ़ी सुंदर है, मज़ा आ रहा है दोस्त.